Hi guys, this is Aki here. Just doing a weekly analysis. It's actually a day later than usual. This is because I was away for a few days, and also there was absolutely nothing happening in the market because of bank holiday. So I'm starting my trading from tomorrow. So just doing a quickly going to do the analysis, and then I'll be following with it. We had a fantastic last week. Last week analysis trades, it went pip by pip. So you can't really expect that every week. But let's see what we got in front of us for coming week. This is Euro USD on daily. This markup been there since last week, so everything's remained the same. My direction remains the same to the downside. So right now, what I'm actually seeing straight away is a pullback taking place now. We're going to see a test of 1280, 1290. Long as the price is below 1320, still following this down channel. So we'll be looking to go short. My area is going to be, this is my area. This is where I'll be looking to go short. This is my area to go short. Anywhere around here. This is the area for me to go short, which means I can just place my stop just above and then go for it. And I'll be targeting towards 12. Then if we get through 12, 112, then we're most likely going to see 118. Then possibly further down. So we're going to see price ranging around this area for this week, most likely be followed by this move here. And if we get through this, then we could expect further downwards move. But this is where it's a good level of support here. It's bounced again and again. So last few weeks it's been bouncing around this area. So we could see more of this move here. We could see there, then we possibly back to here, then we possibly see back down again. So until we get through 1321, my direction is to the downside because it is following this. Currently, there's two trend line here. It's basically just testing the first one, which is not the strongest. But this is the main area to go short again. After this, maybe stop here and then go short. And if we get through this, the next area is going to be around here. So this is where I'll be looking to go short again. So until we see break out of this structure, my direction is to sell it on rally. So that is what I'm looking at. Buying area might look to go buy. If I see opportunity around this area, 12, that's what I'll be looking to take possible buy. Until that, a bit selling on rally. So my direction is remain the same for last 2 months. Euro USD selling on rally. So that is what I'm going to do, and I had a great success doing this. So I'll be continue doing the same thing, keep selling on rally. So that is my view on Euro USD. So let's look at gold. Gold. That's GBP. Right, this is gold. Right, gold is basically it's followed everything I was expecting for last 2 weeks. We did get the move. My final target was 1260. So we've been selling it from 113, and target was 1260. We're not quite there yet, but currently still is most likely to touch that 1260. So what I'm expecting now is we possibly see back here 90. That would be a good place to look to go short, and then target here first, and then this is where I'm expecting somewhere around here, possibly there, or at least possibly around 60. This is the area that I'm looking at. From there, we probably see back up to 13 again. So right now is following this channel there. It's trying to make new lows. So we made another low last week, and now we probably see back test around this, and then falling dropping back again. So around 1290, that is my area to sell, to go short. And right now it's just more of a waiting game. As you can see there, it took out this quite a significant level there, which is around 1280. 1280 was holding for last 3 months, finally broke through, and now it's struggling to get back above 1280. If you look at the price action, you'll see sellers jump back in at 1280. So we might not even see 1290, but ideally 1290 is the area that I'll be looking to go short. So, let's see what happens, how that goes. Overall direction is to sell, and target is 12. First target would be 12. Let me go into forwarding. Let's see. All right, there. So this is what I'm actually looking to see if I can get it. If I could get back to 1290, that would be a great place to go short. Target here, then final target 1260. We might even not get above this. Today's price action, struggling to get above 1280. So probably even see from there, could be 1260, probably see 1260, but I won't jumping in right now to sell. I'll be waiting for a pullback. Ideally, this is the area that I'm looking for. And then go for 1260. So that, let's see how that one plays out. So watch out for 1290. This is the area that we should be watching for price action. Even at back to 1280, you can put a very tight stop loss, and then go for 1260. So those are the area that you should be watching out for. At the moment, it's broke through that 1280, which is a significant level, and now price struggling to get above that 1280. So all depends. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. But those are the area that I will be looking to go short. So that's my setup for gold, and also Euro JPY. So I've been selling Euro JPY for last 3-4 months. Right now, again, we possibly have another opportunity. Where is it? Euro JPY. It'll be that one. Another one I'll be watching out for. Made a big move, and we got most of the move. So I think it was Thursday. We got most of that Friday's move, or Thursday's move. Right now, what is it actually doing? Pull back. Yeah, it's just climbing above 116. 116 is the area that we'll like to see price of 2650 again. Right, so actually the entry, exit, everything set up for it was from last week. And that is the final target I've set out for. Every time I take short position, this is what I'm targeting for final target. Just not happening. Even there, was just missed, struggling to get through that 25. But right now is what I'm actually seeing right now. Okay, this is daily. We had a nice move on, I think it was on Thursday. Yep. No, that was Friday. 80 pip movement, and then nicely closed. But today, bulls starting to fight back, but I don't think it's going to hold for too long. As soon as price drop 1126, I think we're going to see more towards 25 area. So that one is pretty much I'm setting up for go short. Where will I go for short? Even from here, I probably divide into 2 positions. Probably even go short. Ideally, I like to go short below 26. But right now, we could possibly see testing this here around this area again. So ideally 26.20, that's where I'll be taking my first position. That's where I would like to take my first position. Target here first, and then 24 around 25. So that is the area. It's almost there. Today, bulls should some fight back, but I really don't think it's going to last too long. So area to watch out for is this is, as long as below this, you're going to see a lot of sellers and selling pressure coming at any time. Even if it goes boom like this, you're going to see sellers jumping back in until this area taken out. Quite a significant area there. So right now, we could go short here from there, or even around maybe 26.30. That would be a decent area to go short, and then target 26.25. Those are the area that I should be targeting. So for me I'm looking to go short Euro JPY. I'll be selling on rally today. it's not really convincing. That rally is not really, I really don't think it's going to hold out for too long. But still, we have to watch out for these areas. Yeah, so that's about it for those are the pairs that I am going to monitor this week. I'll be taking trades based on the areas that are actually highlighted. Those are the areas that I'll be waiting for, and then I'll be taking my positions. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Let's have another great week of trading. Take things easy, and see you guys tomorrow.